Hi, my name is Walter, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing video for the Samsung Galaxy Book, just to show what comes inside the box and how it's packed. Also, I want to show a couple of accessories that I've bought that I purchased to go along with this. So I want to make this quick. This is the 12-inch with 128 gigabytes of storage and 4 gigabytes of RAM. It's the Wi-Fi only model. Okay, and as you can see, starts with the tablet itself. Then under here, there is the keyboard, and then we have the charging cord, the brick, and the pen. Also, we have the instruction booklet, and under that you have a few extra tips for the pen. And then this is the pen holder that attaches to the side of the keyboard. Okay, so now that we've seen that, we're going to move this out of the way and go ahead and concentrate more on the tablet. It's wrapped very nicely, and it's has a cloth feel to it. This bag it came in. And here's the keyboard. It looks very nice. The back is a little stiff right now since it's brand new. It's extremely flat. And that's something that I like about it already. Already the texture of the back is very nice. This is the spot where you put the additional tab to slide the pen in there. But so far I like it. The feel of the keys is nice. Everything about it's pretty nice. Nice big trackpad. That's awesome. Okay. Now for this part here, this is very nice. I can just get this unpeeled. Okay. And here is the tablet. I must say, I'm so impressed at how thin this is. I have a Galaxy Note tablet also, and the Tab S3, and this is definitely the thinnest of them that I have so far. I don't know if there's any juice in here to turn it on. But I'll be doing all that later when I do my review. Right now I just wanted to give you a quick unboxing and show you how it's packed. It's packed wonderfully. Move that over to the side. Now I did go ahead and buy a few accessories, and I'll show you what I got. This is the tablet comes with a USB-C for the inputs on the side. So if you need to plug in any kind of a a regular USB. Then you're going to need an adapter. So I went ahead and bought one of those. And I got this one from Amazon. And it has a USB-C on one end and then a USB 3.0 on the other. And that makes it pretty easy to hook up anything you need to. I also bought a case for it, and they don't have a whole lot of cases available right now for this, but I went ahead and just bought this one right here, and it looks like it's going to fit that pretty good. So I don't think I'm going to have a problem with getting that in there. But this case is nice. I got it at Amazon. I'll have the link at the bottom of the video for all of these. Another reason I like this was because it opened flat like that. It's got a nice felty feel on the inside, and so that's going to make it more protective. It's got pockets on this side. Very nice. And of course I bought a screen protector. This one is from Spirin. And I always put a screen protector on any time I buy a new tablet or a phone or anything. So I'll be applying this, and I can let you see what it looks like when I do my review. I may also include some video of me applying this to the tablet. And a couple more items. Firstly, I got this Samsung hard drive. So this is a SSD hard drive, and so it's very fast. And since that comes with 128 gigabytes of hard drive space on it, so that I don't use that up quickly, I decided to go ahead and buy some additional. And this is the Samsung T3, and as you can see, it's very small, very light, has a very professional feel to it. It's kind of a smooth, rubbery feel on this end and metal on this end. And then it comes with a cord to connect it. This cord that it comes with has a USB-C on one end that you plug into the back, and then the USB 3.0 that you plug in on the other end, and that's where this adapter will come in handy, because I'll be able to hook these two together and plug it right into my Samsung Galaxy Book. Okay, so those are a couple of things that I like that I bought to go with it. And finally, I bought this, which is a Staedtler Norris digital pen, and it looks just like one of their normal pencils. They make pencils for drawing, and they went in with Samsung together to make a pen that is specifically made for Samsung products, like the Galaxy Book. So as you can see, it looks just like a pencil, and the difference is that it has the end on it like for you to use on a tablet. So this does come with a pen, but I just thought this was a really cool accessory pen that looks like a real pencil. So like I said, I'll have links to all of these things at the bottom of the video. And so I did just want to do a quick unboxing and show you a few of the extra toys I bought. Sorry for the quality and the way that my camera is set up, but I think you get the idea. And thank you very much for watching. And have a wonderful day.